Om Sri Chinmaya Sadgurave Namaha. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 8th chapter from first sloka. Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. Athashtamodhyayaha. Arjuna Vacha. Kim tad brahma kim adhyatmam. Kim karma purushottama. Adhibhutam cha kim proktam. Adhidevam kimuchyate. Adhiyajnah katham kotra. Dehesmin madhusudana. Prayana kale cha katham. Jnyosi niyatatmavih. Shri Bhagavan uvacha. Aksharam brahma paramam. Svabhavodhyatmamuchyate. Bhuta bhavodbhavakaraha. Visargah karma sangitaha. Adhibhutam ksharo bhavaha. Purushascha-adhidaivatam. Adhiyajño hamevatra. Dehe dehavritam varaha. Vara, sorry, not varaha. Vara. Antakale chamameva smaran muktva kalevaram yah prayati samadbhavam yati nastyatra samsayah yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajantyante kalevaram tam tame vaiti kaunteya सदा तद्भाव भावितः तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरयुध्य च मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः मामे वैश्यस्य संशयः अभ्यासयोगयुक्तेन चेतसा नान्यगामिना परमं पुरुषं दिव्यं याति पार्थानुचिन्तयन् कविं पुराणम् अनुशासितारम् अणोरणीयां समनुस्मरेद्यः सर्वस्य धातारमचिन्त्य रूपम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात् प्रयाणकाले मनसाचलेन भक्त्या युक्तो योगबलेन चैव भ्रुवोर्मध्ये प्राणमावेश्य सम्यक् सतं परं पुरुषमुपैति दिव्यं यदक्षरं वेदविदो वदन्ति विशन्ति यद्यतयो वीतरागाः यदिच्छन्तो ब्रह्मचर्यं चरन्ति तत्ते पदं संग्रहेण प्रवक्ष्ये सर्वद्वाराणि संयम्य मनोहृदि निरुध्य च मूर्ध्याध्यायात्मनः प्राणम् आस्थितो योगधारणाम् ओमित्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्म व्याहरन् मामनुस्मरन् यः प्रयाति त्यजन् देहं स याति परमां गतिम् अनन्यचेताः सततं यो मां स्मरति नित्यशः तस्याहं सुलभः पार्थ नित्ययुक्तस्य योगिनः मामुपेत्य पुनर्जन्म दुःखालयमशाश्वतं नाप्नुवन्ति महात्मानः संसिद्धिं परमां गताः आब्रह्मभुवनाल्लोकाः पुनरावर्तिनोऽर्जुन मामुपेत्य तु कौन्तेय पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते सहस्रयुगपर्यन्तम् अहर्यद्ब्रह्मणो विदुः रात्रिं युगसहस्रान्तां देहोरात्रविदो जनाः अव्यक्ताद्व्यक्तयः सर्वाः प्रभवद्यः रागमे रात्र्यागमे प्रलीयन्ते तत्रैवाव्यक्तसंज्ञके भूतग्रामः स एवायं भूत्वा भूत्वा प्रलीयते रात्र्यागमे वशः पार्थ प्रभवत्यः रागमे परस्तस्मात्तु भावोऽन्यो व्याक्तो व्याक्तात् सनातनः यस्य सर्वेषु भूतेषु नश्यत्सु न विनश्यति अव्यक्तोऽक्षर इत्युक्तः तमाहुः परमां गतिं यं प्राप्य न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम पुरुषः स परः पार्थ भक्त्या लभ्यस्त्वनन्यया यस्यान्तस्थानि भूतानि येन सर्वमिदं ततम्. Clear? Now from 23rd, 8th chapter, 23rd sloka. Yatra kale tvanavrittim. In your book it is there vrittimavrittim. So you will do vrittim ma and then please put halanta. Yatra kale tvanavrittim. Then avrittim chaiva yogina. Then because it was there vrittim avrittim, so vrittim, then split it, then avrittim. Clear? Yatra kale tvanavrittim avrittim chaiva yoginaha. Yatra kale tvanavrittim avrittim chaiva yoginaha. See, avrittim, because cha is there, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya is the last letter. So, Anuswara's pronunciation will be like that. Avrittim chaiva yoginaha prayata yanti tankalam. Prayata yanti tankalam. Vakshyami bharatarshabha. Vakshyami bharatarshabha. Yatra kale tvanavrittim avrittim chaiva yoginaha prayata yanti tankalam vakshyami bharatarshabha. Agnirjyotirah shuklaha. Agnirjyotirah shuklaha. Shanmasa uttarayanam. Shanmasa uttarayanam. Agnirjyotirah shuklaha. Shanmasa uttarayanam. Clear? So, is it clear to you? Okay. So Agnirjyotirah Shuklaha Shanmasa Uttarayanam Tatra Prayata Gachanti Tatra Prayata Gachanti Brahma Brahma Vido Janaha Tatra Prayata Gachanti Brahma Vido Janaha. So Tatra. So ending word is a. A is short vowel. And Prayata is conjunct consonant or Yukta Varna. So before Yukta Varna, there was a. Tatra a. So pa will be pronounced doubled. Tatra Prayata Gachanti. Then another was there, see, Brahma, because Brahma, again, and then Brahma. So Bra is conjunct consonant or Sanyukta Varna. So another Ba will be pronounced. Okay. Brahma, 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 Vido Janaha. Clear? Shreya, is it not clear to you?
No, Swamiji, please repeat again.
What I told, that अगर युक्त वर्ण रहेगा ना, संयुक्त वर्ण तुम्हें पता है, युक्ताक्षर, जैसे क्षर, क्षर मीन्स क एंड श, ब्रह्म, हाफ ब एंड र, ओके, प्रश्न, हाफ प एंड र. तो अगर उसके पहले कोई छोटा स्वर वर्ण रहे, तुम्हें याद है वो हम लोग पढ़े थे कि छोटा स्वर वर्ण होता है ना. So what about the small short vowel, that is a, e, u. There, then what happened? Then संयुक्त वर्ण का जो पहला लेटर है ना, वो और एक बार रिपीटेडली प्रोनाउंस होता है. देखो, ब्रह्मा एंड उसके बाद ब्रह्मा इज देयर ना. तो ब्रह्मा इज एंडिंग इन अ, short vowel. Then again Brahma is continuing. So it is Yukta Varna. So Brahma का फर्स्ट लेटर है ब. So एक ब की जगह दो ब होगा, वो भी हाफ. ओके. तो ब्रह्मा ब्रह्म, ब्रह्म ब्रह्म विदो जना. अभी क्लियर हुआ? थैंक यू. So together, अग्निर्ज्योतिरः शुक्लः षण्मासा उत्तरायणम् तत्र प्रयाता गच्छन्ति ब्रह्मविदो जनाः. अग्निर्ज्योतिरः शुक्लः षण्मासा उत्तरायणम् तत्र प्रयाता. Here also see tatra and prayata. So tatrap prayata, tatrap prayata. Clear, Shreya? Okay. Tatra prayata gachanti brahma vido janaha. Clear? Thank you. Then 25th. Dhumo धूमो रात्रिस्तथा कृष्णः धूमो रात्रिस्तथा कृष्णः षण्मासा dakshinayam, shanmasa, uttarayana, dakshinayanam. Actually, Bhagavan is telling, suppose a person after death, who will go to Dakshinayana and who will go to Uttarayana. Okay, there are two things, Uttarayanam and Dakshinayana. So there is a particular 6 months in a year. If in between that, if anyone dies, then it will be, he will go to Uttarayanam, the path of North Hemisphere. And if they die in another place, they will go to North Hemisphere. So it's Bhagavan Gita is telling in Bhagavad Gita. Wait a moment. So, Dhumo Ratristatha Krishnaha Sharnamasa Dakshinayanam Dakshinayanam. Okay. Then Tatra Chandramasam Jyotihi. In your book, it is there. Jyotir Yogi. Yoti, sorry. Jyotir Yogi. So please split it. Jyotihi. And then Yogi. Clear? Tatra Chandramasam Jyotihi. Tatra Chandramasam Jyotihi Yogi Prapya Nivartate. Yogi Prapya Nivartate. So together, Dhumo Ratristatha Krishnaha Shanmasa Dakshinayanam Tatra Chandramasam Jyotihi Yogi Prapya Nivartate. Dhumo Ratristatha Krishnaha Shanmasa Dakshinayanam Tatra Chandramasam Jyotihi Yogi Prapya Nivartate. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Thank you. Then 26th shloka. Shukla Krishne Gati Yete. Shukla Krishne Gati Yete. Jagata Shashvate Mate. Jagata Shashvate Mate. Then in second line, it is a single word, you know. We can break it, but it's a samastapadi shabda. Ekaya yatyana vrittim. Actually, ekaya yati anavrittim anyaya vartate. Anyaya avartate punah. So, okay, so we will, for the chanting learnings purpose, we will break it. Ekaya yatyana vrittim. Ma में हलंत लगा दीजिए. Then split it. Then do anyaya vartate punah. Anyaya vartate punah. Clear? शुक्ल कृष्णे गति ह्येते जगतः शाश्वते मते एकया याति नावृत्तिम् एकया यात्यनावृत्तिम् अन्यया वर्तते पुनः अन्यया वर्तते पुनः शुक्ल कृष्णे गति ह्येते जगतः शाश्वते मते एकया यात्यनावृत्तिम् अन्यया वर्तते पुनः. Anyone has any doubt? Clear for everyone else? Maitreyi. Yes, tell.
জগতাস্য ওইখানটাই
জগতস তার কারণ বিসর্গর পরে তালব্য স আছে, ঠিক আছে? জগত বিসর্গ আছে জগতঃ, তারপরে আছে শাশ্বত,
শাশ্বতে, হ্যাঁ
ঠিক আছে? তো বিসর্গর পরে যদি তালব্য স থাকে তাহলে বিসর্গর উচ্চারণ তালব্য স এর মতো হয়, ঠিক আছে? সেই জন্য জগতস
জগতাস শাশ্বতে,
শাশ্বতে মাতে, ঠিক আছে? তাই সেটা ঠিক আছে বললে হবে না, হাতে পেন্সিল থাকলে বিসর্গটা কেটে হাফ তালবস্য, পুরো ডাঁটি সমেত না, হাফ তালবস্য লিখলে এটাই তোমাদের ইন্ডিকেশন যে হাফ তালব্যস্য ওখানে, এবং পেন্সিল দিয়ে, পেন দিয়ে নয়, পেন্সিল দিয়ে কেটে হাফ তালব্যস্য লিখে দিলে তাহলে আস্তে আস্তে মনে পড়ে যাবে।
শাশ্বতে, জগতাস্য, জগতাস্য শাশ্বতে,
জগৎ তা নয় বাবা, জগতস,
জগতস্য শাশ্বতে,
না, জগতস বিসর্গর জায়গায় স, তারপর
জগৎ,
শাশ্বতে, তুমি আরেকটা স বেশি বলছো, জগতস শাশ্বতে,
জগতাস
জগতস
শাশ্বতে,
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 জগতস শাশ্বতে, বলো।
জগতাস শাশ্বতে।
ক্লিয়ার? আর কোনো প্রবলেম? গুড, মিউট করো। 27th. नैते स्मृति पार्थ जानन्, नैते स्मृति पार्थ जानन्, योगी मुह्यति कश्चन, योगी मुह्यति कश्चन, तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु, तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु योगयुक्तो भवार्जुन, योगयुक्तो भवार्जुन। Together. अच्छा, नैते स्मृति पार्थ जानन. In your book it is there janan yogi. Together you will write janan, split it, then yogi. Clear? Okay. नैते स्मृति पार्थ जानन, योगी मुह्यति कश्चन। Clear? तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु योगयुक्तो भवार्जुन. Once more. नैते स्मृति पार्थ जानन् योगी मुह्यति कश्चन तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु योगयुक्तो भवार्जुन. Clear, Shavar? Thank you. Then again, the last verse of 8th sloka, 8th chapter is again Trishtu.
Tristuchand.
Vedeshu yagneshu tapassu chaiva. Vedeshu yagneshu tapassu chaiva. Maitreyi, আবার বিসর্গ কেটে একটা দন্তেশ্বয়ের হাফ লিখে দাও. বিসর্গর জায়গায় দন্তেশ্ব উচ্চারণ হবে. তপস্সু, তপস্সু. বেদেষু যজ্ঞেষু তপস্সু চৈব দানেষু যৎ পুণ্য ফলম প্রদিষ্টম. দানেষু যৎ পুণ্য ফলম প্রদিষ্টম अत्येति तत्सर्वमिदं विदित्वा. अत्येति तत्सर्वमिदं विदित्वा योगी परं स्थानमुपैति चाद्यम्. योगी परं स्थानमुपैति चाद्यम्. वेदेषु यज्ञेषु तपस्सु चैव दानेषु यत् पुण्यफलं प्रदिष्टम् अत्येति तत्सर्वमिदं विदित्वा योगी परं स्थानमुपैति चाद्यम्. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Om Tat Sat. Jerome, as I am telling, please split it. Okay, then it will be better for you. Om Tat Sat. Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Akshara Brahma Yogo Namaha Ashtamadhyayaha. Ashtamodhyayaha. Clear? Om Tat Sat. Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Akshara Brahma Yogo Nama Ashtamodhyayaha. Clear? Anyone?
स्वामी जी,
Any?
यहाँ बुक में ओम तत्सदिति लिखा हुआ है.
हाँ, मैं क्या
तो
बताया?
तत्सह. You said ओम तत्सह.
No. Om Tat Sat. Tat Sat I told.
हाँ, और यहाँ दिति लिखा हुआ है.
इसलिए तो बोला ना, जो मैं
हाँ.
जो बोल रहा हूँ उसके अनुसार तत्सत दीति मतलब सद प्लस इति. ता चेंज हो रहा है दा में, देन सदिति.
ओके.
Like Bhagavad Gita, you will say.
हाँ.
It means Bhagavad Gita. So it is becoming Bhagavad Gita. Clear? So likewise, Tat Sat Iti. So it is becoming Tat Saditi. So you please write Om Tat Sat Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So that is why I am just imitate and write. Never think, oh, it's so easy, I can remember.
That's
Not a single bit you can remember. Write each and everything. Then only you can practice accordingly, and then you will be habituated. Otherwise, in the first stage, at least in chanting, if you don't write all those details, it's not possible. And this is the result you see right now. So many classes, over 78, 80 classes I have taken for so many days. Still people ask, why after Visarga, if it is Sa, why Visarga is Sa? Because you don't write. You think it is so easy at the time of chanting, you think it is so easy, but you forget everything else. That is why after 80 classes also, the question is raised by the old students. Okay. In next class, first we will hear from you 8th chapter. Okay. 2 sloka each. Then we will start 9th one. Happy? And I don't want to listen to any mistakes. Prepare yourself like this. If you need, you can practice 2 sloka. You know, in your mind, the question will come that Swamiji, if I do 2 slokas, am I be able to chant the whole Gita, or I will be perfect in the whole chapter? If it comes, the question comes now or afterwards, you will find the question will come. My answer is, if I answer you, you can't understand it. So my answer is, please do the 2 slokas properly. I will answer you. Or it may be you will get your answer. First, without raising any question, make 2 sloka ready, absolutely perfectly, without any mistake. Okay. Agreed? Just raise your hand like this. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. In the particular time, Maitreyi is not there. And when she will make mistake, she will tell, I was not present in that time. So how I will correct Swamiji?
Swamiji 28 shlok ek baar aur.
Just see, she is still not there. How I handle the students? Fan is running, fan is listening to my Gita chanting and what I need. Maitreyi,
বলুন।
আমি বলে দিলাম যে সামনের দিনে 2টো শ্লোক একদম পারফেক্টলি শুনতে চাই। এতক্ষণ তোমার ফ্যান শুনছিল এতগুলো কথা, তো ডোন্ট গিভ এনি এক্সকিউজেস। তো 2টো শ্লোক আমি চাই। সহজ শ্লোক নিতে পারো, কোনো রকম শক্ত ট্রাই করার দরকার নেই, বাট পারফেক্টলি, উইদাউট এনি মিস্টেক। তার জন্য তোমরা ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে গিয়ে বিউটি অফ বেদান্ত তে গিয়ে শুনে নিতে পারো আগের ক্লাসগুলো কিরকম হয়েছে, কোন জায়গায় আমি স্ট্রেস দিয়েছি। I need the perfect pronunciation. Okay. Agreed, Raji? Good. 28 sloka. Yes, Amma. Vedeshu yagneshu tapasya. Maitreyi mute karo. Amma, Suchitra Mohta Amma, you try. What is your problem? You please tell me. You chant, please. Suchitra Amma. Oh my.
हाँ स्वामीजी.
Please, you chant and tell me where is your problem.
वेदेषु यज्ञेषु तपस्सु चैव दानेषु यत् पुण्यफलं प्रदिष्टम् अत्येति तत्सर्वमिदं विदित्वा योगी परं स्थानम् उपैति चाद्यम्.
Absolutely okay.
स्वामी जी, आपका बोलने का स्टाइल थोड़ा सुनना था.
Oh, that different issue. Okay. Vedeshu yagneshu tapassu chaiva daneshu yat punya phalam pradishtam atyeti tat sarvam idam viditva yogi parasthanam upaiti chadyam. So what you gave, sthanam upaiti, there's, please don't give pause, you can't. Yogi param sthanam upaiti chant. You have to be in hurry to chant it. Okay. So thank you for everyone else. আজকে এখানেই শেষ করব. Our relief work was wonderful. A lot of families will get.
प्रणाम स्वामी जी. स्वामी जी, मेरा नाम प्रमिला शाह है और मैंने आज ही आपको ज्वाइन किया है.
अच्छा.
और थैंक यू सर फॉर टेकिंग मी. और मैं मन लगा के गीता सीखूंगी आपसे.
If you have any problem in chanting, you can ask me in the class. I think you know my WhatsApp number also.
हाँ, मेरे पास है.
If you have any doubt, you can personally write me, or you can chant some sloka, one sloka, voice record it and send it to me. But one request, don't expect me that I will reply you then and there.
नहीं, ठीक
It
है.
may take few hours also. Okay. Please, I beg pardon for that. So you just you will get full cooperation from me, but not at the same time. I always not present with the phone, or I remain very busy with so many things. So I will reply you. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. It's my privilege to be in this class. Thank you so much.
My pleasure to get new students.
My privilege. Thank you.
Thank you. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om.